Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So guys, in this video, we will have our discussion on the planetary alignments on the three pressing issue which you would have seen in the thumbnail, which would have brought you to click this video or watch this video. The very first is going to be about Canadian Prime Minister, recently elected Canadian Prime Minister, like not recently elected because he was nominated by the incumbent government as well, party as well, but he won the election as well. And now he is already in Washington, he is already in US to meet Donald Trump. So the very first discussion is going to be on this because based on the planetary alignments, it's a very significant meetup which is going to happen, a very significant meeting. Second is going to be this recent announcement of Israel's now revised plan to capture the whole Gaza. And third is going to be a discussion on this India and Pakistan rising tension, that what we can see as per the planetary alignments. So guys, the very first is about this so much awaited visit of Mark Carney with Donald Trump. So guys, look at it in this way. Like, I need to just give you slight background as well if you are like my Indian audience based in India and you do not know much about it. So simplifying things, ever since like Donald Trump has announced tariff on Canada, as per Donald Trump's administration's version, that there has been a trade deficit of almost 200 billions with Canada, which has been like rejected by the Canadian government authorities, who have said that it has been much exaggerated. The real number is close to $63 billion. So then Donald Trump announced tariff on the steel and aluminum which comes from Canada, even the cars being manufactured in Canada, and to which Canada also retaliated. Now guys, the question is that the person who has now been elected as the Canadian Prime Minister, he actually won the election just because he gave this assurance to the Canadians that we will not take up the bullying of the Donald Trump, Canada will never be the 51st state, and so much of the rhetoric like betrayal of the trust and they are the enemy and all of that. So now comes the question that based on the astrological alignments, what we can look at. So see guys, because what everyone was anticipating, because Donald Trump and America, they both strongly are aligned with the Leo Lagna. Now the people or the countries which were in the radar, which were on the line of the fire, if I were to be very precise, Iran, which is the Cancer rising, which happened to be the 12th house vibration comparing to the America's chart. Second is the China, which is the Capricorn rising, which happened to be the 6th from the America's chart. Now when we talk about the Canada's chart guys, so Canada is governed by based on the Independence Day, Independent Canada's chart and all, which I have presented so many times on my videos on my channel, is the Pisces rising. Now which happened to be, if you will take into consideration from the Leo, it happened to be the 8th house vibration. That is the first watch point. Like the way guys, anytime when any client comes to me for the consultation, the very first job of an astrologer is to look at the stress point of that person. So we know that in the whole month of the March and April, Saturn and Rahu were conjunct in the Pisces sign. So many of the Libra Lagna have come to me in the consultation, even in the comment section. They have talked about that they have been facing a lot of the work pressure, a lot of the office politics and all. Why to go very far? I'm a Aries Lagna. In my case, it is in the 12th house. Initially, I never have had any issue with my sleep. And when I joined this part-time job, guess what? They offered me the night shift. So my sleeping hours is all screwed up. So what I'm trying to say over here is that whatever is going to be, like Saturn is going to be bringing the karma and the lesson. In the chart of the United States, the stress point is going to be the Pisces vibration, which happened to be the Canada's Lagan. And the second thing is that guys, see, I don't see myself as a psychic who give prediction. To all of my clients who come to me for consultation, I give them suggestion or the advice. I mentioned this thing that based on Canada's chart, the best alternative option to ongoing situation with the Trump administration is going to be if a conservative government is going to come to power, because Saturn, if it is transiting to the first house, Saturn is a planet which somehow demonstrate or support that sort of party ideology. That was the only reason I was rooting for it, guys. Canada is like a lovely country to be in. Everyone is polite, everyone is respectful. It hardly matters based on my understanding, but what I'm saying over here is that as per the political ideology and the way now like Mark Carney has to face Donald Trump, and the way the whole news media is speculating that what kind of mood you are gonna find Donald Trump when Mark Carney is going to see him. Because guys, like the way I have said this thing a lot many times, like Donald Trump is a kind of a person, and his administration works more on the basis of the relationship and the impression. And imagine a guy who won the election with this rhetoric while advocating and demonizing like the Trump administration. So what you could expect. And also guys, even if I were to talk about today's transit as well, so today at the time when this meeting is going to happen, Moon is transiting in the Leo, which is again giving all the cards to Donald Trump, giving all the power to him. And as per the, if I were to talk about the two countries meeting and talking to each other, so for the Canada's chart, it is going to be falling in the 6th house of the pressure. Second thing is that guys, see, one thing is clear that for Trump, in order to justify the tariff, he do not need a reason which is going to be aligned with the trade. Like the way, for example, they have been like talking about the fentanyl crisis as well, which as per the Canadian authorities, the number shown by them, that the northern border of like US with Canada, the fentanyl which was actually seized was hardly 50 pound compared to the 20,000 pound of like fentanyl which was seized at the southern border which US has with Mexico. But just because if this is what the kind of history you have with a leadership, because see, when we talk about the Mark Carney, so he is very sophisticated guy with very decorated kind of experience in terms of his contribution to the Canada, being a head of the financial institution and all. So but yes guys, this is something which I actually wanted to talk about before this meeting. And what see, the thing is, it is not gonna be as worse as the way it happened when like there was a shouting match between Zelensky and JD Vance and Donald Trump. But again, the way the whole planets are like transiting, Donald Trump in any case is a very formidable personality. And today's transit, when this meeting is going to happen, which all the Canadians are going to be glued to the television set to see the development, the progress. So yeah, all the cards are going to be with him. And with the kind of in the past 2 weeks and the month in the election campaigning, whatever has been used to address and demonizing the Trump administration might work against Mark Carney. Now guys, second point of discussion as per the astrological alignment and all is about, see guys, honestly speaking, I was very stressed. It was heart-wrenching, the kind of news which was coming in from Gaza, like the kind of humanitarian crisis and the way children were, the kind of deplorable condition they were in. Again guys, see, the thing is, when we are being in such a situation where a resistance group is fighting, so based on which side of the narrative you belong to, you know, you address it or you see, start labeling that group. For example, if you will go by the US, as US has already declared Hamas as a terrorist organization. They declared it in 1997, if I am right. But if you will see all the protesters over here, they just like they address it as a resistance to voice the Palestinian suffering and all. But again guys, the way the October 7th incident happened, the atrocity which they caused, and now just because if you're not letting go of the hostages and you are letting your own people suffer, so I don't think so it is it is any like it is completely justifiable to address it as a terrorist group. And I mean to say, guys, why I'm saying this thing, that over here as well, like Donald Trump again has like being able to get things done as well, because a couple of weeks back only there was this AI generated video which was shared by Donald Trump on his Truth social media platform, that Gaza can be transformed into a very swanky modern city with the beach, so many tourists and 5-star hotels, and Israel will capture it and US will do the development work over there. Now guys, if you will see, like Israel has got like Virgo as the rising, and with the Virgo rising, Saturn's transit in the 7th house is generally considered as a good sign that it gives you victory over any of these kind of issues. Like for example, even the Houthi rebels who actually bombed a very important major airport around that area in Tel Aviv in Israel only, and then they retaliated with bombing those places in the Yemen. Their fighter jet went there. So I mean to say, guys, if I were to say based on the planetary alignment, because I was very much rooted and I was hoping that some miracle God happen. I was praying to the God that please God do something and let those people who are like facing those atrocities and those suffering in those shelter shall be saved. So this decision, which I do not know how the world is going to take, but in a way, if Hamas is not releasing the hostages, and this move, if it can remove the suffering of the Gaza people and all, so it looks like to be a good move. Now guys, the third point is about the India and Pakistan situation. So guys, over here I only have one thing to say. See, you have to understand the psychology of the leader. Like Narendra Modi ji is being seen as the, like, he is respected and he has got that solidarity and support of the whole nation. It's not only about one community only, it's like the whole nation is with him. And again guys, you have to understand that, for example, the other like leader of opposition, which is Rahul Gandhi from the Congress party, like imagine had he been the leader, like the country functioned like normal, but you get to know that when one employer is very serious about the company, about the pain of the employees, and there is one person who is just doing it for the heck, for the sake of the job. I mean to say, like Narendra Modi ji and his administration has done and put their best foot forward to unify all those sensitive areas as well. Like even one of the G20 meet, it also took place in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir as well. Tourism was booming, and amidst all of that, this incident happened. Not only it has hurt the whole nation, but especially Narendra Modi ji as well. And now the way the country is gearing up, like on tomorrow only, at a time when I'm recording this video, there's going to be nationwide mock drill which will happen in India, and it has not taken place in the past 50 years. So I mean to say, I do not know what other people are speculating, but it looks like to be that the will of the nation, or the intensity with which India is going to retaliate against the state-sponsored terrorism being conducted by Pakistan. So it's just like that, guys, if I were to say, even from the planetary transit point of view. So guys, what we have to look forward to is that the very first thing is that on May 18th, like in next like 2 weeks only, when Rahu and Ketu shift will happen, and the next checkpoint is going to be when Mars on June 6th, when it will enter the Leo sign, and it is going to get conjunct with Ketu. And again guys, the Indian government right now is preparing up, that they are not in any rush, they are not in any hurry, they are just planning, preparing themselves. This could be the defense, this could be the international ties, this could be the civilians, and then they are going to respond to it. So again, there have been many people who have been mocking and speculating that it's not going to happen, or it's just like that, just to justify or show the aggression. They're gonna just bomb certain areas, take military action in certain border areas, and then it's going to be all closure of the situation. So it does not look like that, if I were to say, from the planetary transit point of view. So yes guys, that was a small video. So just because the the Canadian Prime Minister's meet and this Israel news and the India-Pakistan news. So I came after a night shift and I thought, okay, but still I need to make a video on this. And guys, yeah, so I do not have much of the time and these subjects do not get much of the participation. So I might be putting the raw footage and the comments are going to be off because I don't want to see any of the hate in the comment section. So once again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and yeah, for further more updates and notification from my channel, do subscribe. Thanks a lot.